go. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So, as you may have seen, or wondering what's going on, I haven't had the chance to wash my hair since I did my mini braids video. But to be fair, like, which it's not even like to be fair, like this should have made me want to do it more. But I've been like working out a lot. But no, seriously, I've been like, exercising more, eating right. Like I've just been, I don't know, focused. I feel like I've been focused so much on that I just kind of like forgot to wash this thing up here. So that's why I'm coming to y'all with it all sideways, because I'm not trying to hide it no more. I need to take care of it like 100%. So yeah, today we're gonna be washing my hair because it needs to get done. And I don't know, I love this hairstyle. It's just so easy to maintain. Like it gets old, I wouldn't say quick, but when it gets old, it gets old. But I'm gonna wash it and see if that'll make it look better. I'm not necessarily gonna like take them out. I'm pretty sure I'm not gonna take them out today, because I'm working out today too, and I just keep thinking about how like easy it is to have this hairstyle. I don't know, especially like once your hair starts growing out, it's just a whole different type of wash day process when your hair starts to grow out. So me having these braids has really been like, so what's the right word I'm looking for? It's been so just easy and just effortless to just have these mini braids. So yeah, we about to wash this. So for shampoo, I'm using this shampoo that I got from my local natural grocers. If you have a natural grocers, you'll most likely find this there. It is the Moon Valley Herbal Shampoo Moisturizing Bar made with coconut oil. This is the sweet carrot one. I have another one, but I haven't used it yet. I used this before. Oh man, I don't want to show y'all that it has hair on it. I used this before, but I use it off camera, and it is a really like kind of like a stripping shampoo, which is kind of what I feel like I need, because I feel like I need to like lift the dirt. But this is what it looks like. It has a little paper thing right there, but I feel like I need to get the dirt off my roots. So this is the shampoo I'm gonna be using. Okay, so here's the first pass. Oop. I don't expect it to clean it all, because Sarah's scalp is like, it's a bit crusty. I finally got somewhat of a good lather. I just feel like, when your hair is just like super dirty, so it just like takes a minute. I feel like that's what's happening. But y'all, this is such a vibe. Meaning like I've never had my hair this style before, so I never had a wash day that was like this easy. And honestly, I feel like I don't care how my hair looks after this, like I'm not taking it down yet, because it's just too good of a style. Honestly, it really is. Alright y'all, so I'm back. I've shampooed my hair and it is fully clean. Um, I don't know about y'all, but I do like a little like scratch test. And like if nothing comes up in my nails, up under my nails, then we good. So for my deep conditioner, this is my first time using this deep conditioner. I've never used it before, but I heard a lot of people say good things about it. This is the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Mafura Oil Intensive Hydration Hair Mask with African Rock Fig and Baobab oil or Baobab oil. Yeah, I'm excited to use this, y'all. This, if I wish I could just smell this. So I'm just gonna put that just on my hair, run it through. Make sure I get my ends. Wow, this smells so good. Just really make sure you get those ends. Swear. Okay, so now I feel like I got it good, like on the length of my hair. I'm gonna take it to the roots. All right, so now I'm gonna make sure I get my edges real good. Just the fact that like I'm on the deep conditioning step of my wash day. This is insane. I love this hairstyle. All right, so I'm gonna let this sit in my head with a plastic bag, and I will come back after like 30 minutes are up to rinse it out, and then show y'all what I'm putting in my hair to kind of like tame the flyaways that's like at the roots and stuff, and yeah, just like make it all, you know, nice looking. So I'll be back. All right, okay, so I did it. My hair is done. Man, that deep conditioner, it was everything. It was everything. I just really feel like it penetrated my hair. Like I feel like my hair got a nice little shine to it, like a nice softness to it. My ends, they just look so good. Like, which, you know, I know they're like they've been slept on and all of that stuff, but man, y'all, I love this hairstyle, like honestly. So all right, enough saying how much I love this hairstyle. For my stylers, I'm gonna be using this, which I've never tried this before. This is the Sailor by Captain Blankenship. This is the brand that's at Target. You may have seen this before, like their skincare. It's the jellyfish hair gel with aloe and fir needle or fear needle. And yeah, we'll put the ingredients on the screen, like right here. So y'all go ahead, pause the video, read the ingredients. I just don't want this video to be too long. But let's just say the first ingredient is aloe vera juice. That is the first ingredient. My hair took so well. I did a aloe vera pre-poo treatment, and my hair took so well to it that, like, I don't know, literally anything with aloe vera in it, I'm willing to basically like drink it at this point, because my hair just loved it so much. It felt so moisturized. So this is the first product I'm gonna take. I am putting it on before my leave-in because, like I said, my hair took so well to the aloe vera. I just want to make sure that this penetrates my hair first. And it's some really good ingredients in here. So I just want to make sure this product penetrates my hair first. So I'm gonna go in with this, put this all over. This is like the consistency. See that? It's like a nice jelly. Smells like peppermint. Whoa, that like really gave my curls some definition. Wow. Wow. I really. Okay, the next product I'm going to be using, this is another new one. It's the Jane Carter Solution Curls to Go. Curls to Go Untangle Me Weightless Leave-In Conditioner. It says that it hydrates, detangles, and reduces frizz with mango butter, slippery elm, and marshmallow root. And like a while ago, I mentioned this this hair moisturizer that I had by Eden Body Works, and it had almond and marshmallow root in it, and I was like, I think this marshmallow root is really doing something to my hair. So this was another product I picked up because my hair responded so well to marshmallow root, and when they said this had it in it, I was like, all right, I gotta try it. It's kind of runny, and it's kind of like goopy. Is that the word, goopy? Oh, girl, oh, 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 slip, 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 slip. So yeah, I need to girl, I would love to try this with my hair down, with my hair like out of these braids. I would love. And it seems like it spreads easily. That's why I'm just taking them as two whole sections rather than one. Wow, and this smells so good. By the way, I got these two products from Marshall's because my Marshall's just recently opened up, and I was just like, let me go pop in there and see what like hair stuff they got. And dang, these two products, do y'all see like how hydrated my hair looks? Wow. Last but not least, I'm gonna be taking this bad boy that y'all may have seen in my last video, my last hair video for sure. It is the Design Essentials Almond and Avocado Oil, Almond and Avocado, doesn't even say oil, Curl Enhancing Mousse for all curl types. So I'm just gonna take a bunch, put it in my hand, and I'm just honestly just focusing this on my roots to like lay down as many flyaways as I can. Oh, love this hairstyle. All right, last but not least, I'm gonna just touch on my edges. I'm really doing this kind of for the sake of the video, and also because I just want to see what it's gonna look like. All right, y'all, so that's it. I just keep I just feel like this is me for life. Like I'm truly contemplating at this point, like if I should just get dreads or not. I don't know. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any tips for caring for mini braids, please leave them in the comments below. If y'all like this video, give it a thumbs up. Share this video with anyone, everyone. Thank y'all for watching another video. Thank you. And I will see y'all in my next one. Oh, and if you're not subscribed, just subscribe. You know, why not? Peace.